Hello everyone. So today I am going to share class 6 social science paper. So move to the questions. First question is multiple choice questions. So which mountain is considered the highest peak of the Himalayan range? So what will be the answer? The answer will be Mount Everest. Next question, what is Mount Kilimanjaro? So, Kilimanjaro, option B is correct, an isolated mountain in Eastern Africa. Move to the third. What is the Tibetan plateau referred to as the roof of the world? So, answer will be because it is the highest plateau in the world. So, A is correct. Move to the fourth one. What material was used for waterproofing the Great Bath in Mohenjo-daro? So, answer will be tar, B. Move to the next question. Which Harappan city is known for its dockyard? So Lothal. Next, question number 6. What was the primary purpose of the large basin found in Lothal? So answer B. A dockyard for receiving and sending boats. Question number 7. What does the term Satyamev Jayate mean? The meaning of Satyamev Jayate is truth alone triumphs. So move to the next question. Question number 8. This is the role of executive in government. So what will be the answer? Answer will be, move to the answer, to implement law. B is correct answer. Move to the next. 9th. What does the term panchayat refer to? So panchayat belongs to a village. So question number 9 answer is B, a village council. Next, which document describes a detailed administrative structure similar to the Panchayati Raj system? So answer will be C, the Arthashastra. So after MCQ, move to the fill in the blanks. Question number 2. The Deccan Plateau is formed through volcanic activity millions of years ago. So volcanic is the correct answer. Question number 2. Does government deal with national level issues in India? So what will be the answer? Central. Number 3. Saraswati river is now known as Dash in India and Dash in Pakistan. So in India is known as Ghaggar and in Pakistan known as Hakar. So move to the next, 4th one. In India we have dash villages, dash towns and over dash cities. So 6 lakhs villages, 8,000 towns and over 4,000 cities. Move to the next 5. The local government in rural areas organized into 3-tier system. So this is the fill in the blanks. Now move to the next question, which is short type question. What are the landforms and how do they shape the earth's surface? So these questions are from your textbook. So I hope you will be able to answer these questions. And what significant climatic change impact the Harappan civilization and its cities? How does grassroots democracy promote local empowerment and community involvement in governance? Next, 4th, define the term governance. And next question is short type questions. Discuss the economic activities associated with 3 major landforms. Describe the contribution of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to India. Explain the 3 levels of the government in India. So this is CBQ. So read the passage and answer the following questions. And next question is locate the following settlement to Indus Saraswati civilization. So you have to locate in the map. So that's all.